Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch from Intel HD graphics to your Nvidia Geforce RTX dedicated graphics. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to go ahead on your search and write down Device Manager and open it up. After that, you will see this option and you want to find Display Adapters. You want to expand it and you want to make sure that your Nvidia Geforce GPU is right there, and also if you have, like I do, Intel, then you will see it here too. You can go ahead and update drivers if you want to, and after that just go ahead and turn it off. After that, you want to open up your Nvidia control panel. So anywhere on your desktop you want to open up your Nvidia control panel. After that, it will load up and you will see something like so. So let me just go ahead and expand it. So you want to be on 3D settings, adjust image settings, and you want to check out this option if you want to, but I'm going to show you today how to manage 3D settings. So you will see here global settings and program settings. So on global settings, you want to choose high performance Nvidia processor and click apply. It will take a few seconds for it to apply it, and after that all is done. Now you want to be on program settings, and here on program settings, if you have any programs which requires Intel graphics and not Nvidia Geforce, then you need to go ahead and add them there manually and choose integrated graphics. Otherwise, choose high performance Nvidia processor and click apply again. But for example, OBS program requires integrated graphics, so you want to go ahead and choose that for specifically OBS. Now, once you will be done here, you want to click Configure Surround Physics. And after you will be there, you will see here settings, and you want to choose a processor. So if it was on CPU, then you want to choose Nvidia Geforce RTX GPU, and then of course click apply again. And that's how you change, and that's how you switch it up from Intel HD graphics to Nvidia Geforce. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.